The SADC Organ Troika plus Council Chairperson ministerial meeting was held at the SADC Secretariat in Gaborone, Republic of Botswana, on the 16th November 2017, comprising of the Republic of South Africa as Chair of the Council of Ministers, Republic of Angola as Chair of the organ, Republic of Zambia as incoming Chair of the organ, and United Republic of Tanzania outgoing Chair of the organ. SADC Organ Troika Plus reaffirmed SADC's commitment to African Union Constitutive Act and SADC's democratic principles as they relate to unconstitutional removal of democratically elected governments. The objective of the meeting was to consider the unfolding situation in the Republic of Zimbabwe.